All medical activities except emergency care, COVID care, and ICU functioning came to a standstill in Kerala on Friday on account of the nationwide strike called by the Indian Medical Association. The day-long protests began at 6 a.m. and would continue till 6 p.m. The IMA has launched the agitation in protest against the centre's move to allow Ayurveda doctors perform surgery. Meanwhile, the strike call given by the Kerala unit of the IMA even saw private clinics downing their shutters to express their solidarity with the agitating physicians. The medical professionals in Kerala are, however, protesting after conforming to COVID protocols. It was last month that the centre issued a notification which authorizes postgraduate practitioners in specified streams of Ayurveda to be trained to perform surgical procedures such as excisions of benign tumours, amputation of gangrene, nasal and cataract surgeries. The November 20 Gazette notification by the Central Council of Indian Medicine, a statutory body under the Ayush Ministry to regulate the Indian systems of medicine, listed 39 general surgery procedures and around 19 procedures involving the eye, ear, nose and throat by amending the Indian Medicine Central Council Postgraduate Ayurveda Education Regulations 2016. The IMA condemned the move, describing it as poaching the disciplines of modern medicine through backdoor means and a retrograde step of mixing the systems. Demanding that the order be withdrawn, the IMA urged the CCIM to develop their own surgical disciplines from their own ancient texts and not claim the surgical disciplines of modern medicine as their own. Attempting to clarify the notification, Ayush Ministry Secretary Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha said it does not amount to any policy deviation or any new decision. This notification is more of the nature of a clarification. It streamlines the existing regulation relating to postgraduate education in Ayurveda with respect to the specified procedures. Further, the notification does not open up the entire field of surgery to Ayurveda practitioners and specifies a set of surgical procedures. It outlines that not all postgraduates of Ayurveda can perform these procedures. Only those specialized in Shalya and Shalakya are allowed to perform these surgical procedures, Kotecha said. Chairman of Board of Governors, CCIM, Vaidya Jayant Deva Pujari said that these surgical procedures were being performed in Ayurveda institutes for over 20 years and the notification legalizes them. The Ayush Ministry also issued a clarification stating that the notification is a clarification of the relevant provisions in the previously existing regulations of 2016 and that the use of modern terminology in the said notification does not amount to mixing of Ayurveda with conventional modern medicine. News Desk, Kaumudi English.